we have a sequence defined by this given recursive rule, which means that the multiplier in the sequence is 1.1. And we're also given that the sequence starts with -10. So let's fill this into an Excel table and use Excel to fill in the rest of the table. So in the first cell, we're starting with -10. And then the multiplier here, to go from one term to the next, we multiply by 1.1. So we're going to do an equation. So we type equals, and we take the previous term, which is in cell B2, and we multiply that with the star by 1.1. And we hit enter. And now we see we go from -10 to -11. And then we can just drag fill the equation all the way down to the end of the table. So if we double click on any of these cells, we see to get this cell, we took B5, which is the previous term, and multiplied it by 1.1. And so that gives us all the way down here the last value in the sequence.